On the login screen, you can sign up with your email or log in using your Google or Facebook account. This login function is implemented using Firebase authentication. After you log in, you can see the main screen. On the main screen, you can check various vegan recipes selected by the developer. Today's recipe at the top side shows a random recipe from the recipe database, and if you click the recipe you like below, you can find out nutritional information, detailed ingredients, and cooking order. Check out the ingredients you have and follow the order by clicking. If you like the recipe, you can click the like button and write a comment. If you click the search bar on main screen, you can not only search for recipes you want, but also check the most searched recipes and your search history in real time. Click the Community tab to enter the community page where users have posted their own recipes. Post your own recipes on the community and share them with users. Finally, you can check your vegan level on my page. You can increase your vegan level by attending, writing a post, comment, and clicking the like button once a day. The vegan level will increase users' desire to participate so that they can contribute more to vegetarianism. My page can also check the user's activity history. Start taking care of your health with VEGATHER.